Welcome to another video of detailed math solutions. In this video, I'm going to write step by step how to simplify the algebraic expressions displayed on the screen. To solve these exercises, I'm going to use the formulas for binomial squares. A plus minus b in parentheses squared equals to a squared plus minus 2ab plus b squared. In the first binomial square, x squared plus 1/2 in parentheses squared, x squared corresponds to the a in the formula, and 1/2 corresponds to the b in the formula. Respectively, in the second binomial square, 1/2 minus y squared in parentheses squared, 1/2 corresponds to the a in the formula, and y squared corresponds to the b in the formula. Therefore, when I apply the formulas to each binomial square, this expression equals to x squared in parentheses squared plus 2 times x squared multiplied by 1/2 plus 1/2 in parentheses squared minus square parenthesis 1/2 in parentheses squared minus 2 times 1/2 multiplied by y squared plus y squared in parentheses squared, closing square parentheses. When I simplify further, this equals to x to the 4th power plus 2 and 2 can be reduced, x squared plus 1/4. Next, the negative sign in front of the square parenthesis applies to each term within the parentheses, and when it does, it flips the sign of each term. So this way I get minus 1/4 plus 2 and 2 can be reduced, y squared minus y to the 4th power. Next, I need to add all like terms. Like or similar terms are the ones that have the same literal parts or are numbers. For this expression, 1/4 and negative 1/4 are like terms, and when I add them, they equal to 0. Therefore, they cancel out. There are no other like terms. Therefore, this expression equals to x to the 4th power minus y to the 4th power plus x squared plus y squared. This expression can't be simplified further and is the final answer for this exercise. Next exercise. Simplify the expression. In the first binomial square, x squared over 2 corresponds to the a in the formula, and y squared over 3 corresponds to the b in the formula. In the second binomial square, y squared over 3 corresponds to the a in the formula, and x squared over 2 corresponds to the b in the formula. Therefore, when I apply the formulas for each binomial square, this expression equals to x squared over 2 in parentheses squared minus 2 times x squared over 2 multiplied by y squared over 3 plus y squared over 3 in parentheses squared plus y squared over 3 in parentheses squared plus 2 times y squared over 3 multiplied by x squared over 2 plus x squared over 2 in parentheses squared. When I simplify further, I get x to the 4th power over 4, 2 and 2 can be reduced, minus x squared, y squared over 3, plus y to the 4th power over 9, plus y to the 4th power over 9, plus, again I can reduce 2 and 2, I get x squared, y squared over 3, plus x to the 4th power over 4. Next, when I add all like terms, I get 2x to the 4th power over 4. I can cancel out these two terms, plus 2 times y to the 4th power over 9. Or if I reduce further, I get 1/2 x to the 4th power plus 2 9ths y to the 4th power. I can't simplify this expression further, therefore, it's the final answer for this exercise. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel and click the like button. I'm thrilled that you joined me and look forward to sharing my other videos. Please click any video displayed on the screen to see more detailed math solutions.